when we stepped out of nice Cali, came to Miami, and fell into a hot ashtray. But it's all good. DJ Bigboss Miami trip. Let's go.
What up, go? Yo, check this out. We right here in Miami. I just checked in my room. You know what I'm saying? We got a crazy flight. Some kids is on there making all kinds of noise, crying and stuff. I ain't getting no sleep. It's 5 in the morning here, or 6 now. We left LA at 9. And let's check out my room though. Here you go. If you make the ranges, you know, I'm right here. Got this little tap lock right here. Let's check this out.
What up, Dow? Yes, today's shows is over. It's lounge time. We out here getting deeper and deeper. We rolling in like the waves back there. Y'all see the waves rolling in? Miami, baby. We doing this. SBR, you know, hustle and flow bag. It's live and direct.
Perfect.
Let me let y'all check that out. Let me check that side out. You know, we right here, Miami, out here on the balcony, early morning. You know, all my Cali people, y'all like that ocean life. You know, check me out. We out here doing it big, early in the morning, doing what we do. You know what I'm saying?
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
You know how we do it, right here, hustle and flow back. Our last days, it's all love. We got good food, good drinks. We did a good job at the racetrack today. All systems are go right now. That's what it is. DJ Bigboss, signing off.